Welcome back to the Bailey Financial Group. It's Jerome. I just got through with the FTMO Challenge Day 7. Okay, so you can see right here by this graph at the home screen in the back office, yes, the slump did continue on this day. It did. So this is going to be a short video, and I'm going to show you what happened. Okay, and we'll even look at some charts just for a little bit. So let's scroll down. So this here is the max that I've lost throughout the history of this particular challenge. Now the max loss is 10,000. I highly doubt that I will hit that point, and I know that I won't hit that point. But this is a good thing to keep me in line, to keep me in check, so I can just have something to look at and to know where I need to be and know where to go. So my minimum trading days has to be 10. So I still have plenty of time, and the max can be 30. So plenty of time to turn this thing around. So I'm not really worried, not sweating it. It's just about perspective and getting back and settling and focusing more. And focusing is something we're going to talk about a little bit today as we scroll down. And I'm going to show you my trade. I only took one trade today. On this trading day, I only took one trade, and that was the Great British Pound and the Japanese Yen pair. So let's take a really quick look. So this was my opening. All right, so I got in, pump and dump, textbook. I saw it right here. Okay, but look at where I entered. I got in way too late. And the reason why I got in this trade way too late is because I woke up and got out of bed around this time. So I got in the trade way too late, and I was supposed to be awake and ready way back here. So right here, that's midnight. I was supposed to be awake at 11 p.m., but I was asleep. I got out of bed around this time, and I completely missed it. So I see this pump and dump right here is plain as day. Let me look at that. Plain as day, textbook, real easy. And if I had got in right here, if I had been awake out of bed, this would have been an easy, quick 20 pip scalp, but I missed it because I was in bed. So this is it. This is where focus comes in. I had to be more focused, and I had to be more disciplined about getting my rest after I get off of work, get the rest in, be ready to focus and just get ready to trade come 11 p.m. Most likely just be ready and up by 9:30 or 10 p.m. so I can really get this thing going. So that this is my fault. You can see the setups. The setups are there. This is me. This is my headspace that I'm fighting with right here. So anyways, that was my entry. Okay. So the entry right here, the entry was a pump and dump. You guys saw that. And this is where I get stopped out. All right. So I got in way too late, and the market went up, and I got stopped out. So it's slightly frustrating. It is. And the markets don't care who you are. So it's not the market's fault. It's my fault. I have to be more disciplined, more focused, and I got to be ready. And like I said before, plain as day, pump and dump, plain as day. Missed it because I woke up too late. So that's just a me thing that I have to work on. So you can see right here, yeah, so got stopped out. So shorter video today. So we're going to look at the charts real quick, real fast. We're going to look at that. See if I can bring that up here on my trading view. Let's see, trading view is my absolute favorite chart to look at. I do have MT4, but I find that trading view is simpler. It's easier to use, and faster, in my opinion. It's easier to draw things and draw objects, and the indicators are easier to follow. So I like to come up with a thesis and an idea on a 15-minute chart. I like to sniper my entry and look at the actual setups on the 1-minute chart. So we are on the 1-minute chart right now. Let's expand this a little bit. Okay, so let's look at the GBP, JPY, and let's go back where I made that trade. Okay, and then we'll look at one other pair to show you how much opportunity was here during the London session. Okay, so this looks like my computer's trying to, here we go. Okay, my computer's trying to give me a little latitude here. But anyways, let's go back to the previous trading day. Okay, so right, so we're going back to the London session. Let's see, you can see this market was very volatile, but so if it's volatile, then hey, it's a good thing. It means there's big moves being made. Okay, so right here during the London session, I was at work, so of course I missed the entire London session, but whatever, I can catch the London session on my days off. Okay, so we're almost there. Apologies for my computer being so slow. Okay, here we go. Here we are. Okay, so this is the London session. Now, I mark everything off by vertical bars. This is, let's see, so here we go. This is the market opening, London. Okay, so I wanted to be up and awake around this area, this time, so I can be ready to catch these patterns. So this pump and dump, it happened after the opening of the equity hour, midnight, London. So this was the plan that was supposed to happen if I were to be awake. So it was coming down, small trend down, but it pumped up, pump, and dump. Like I said, this would have been a quick 20 pip scalp and missed it, sleeping. Anyways, so same thing with gold. Okay, even gold had a really good opportunity if I had been awake, alert, and ready. So this is just me telling myself that, hey, I gotta take this more seriously and be more focused. So let's zero this down a little bit more. Okay. All right. So let's go back here. This is gold, gold USD, my all-time favorite pair to trade. Lots of good money to be made with gold, even in a down market. All right. So as you can see right here, all right, if I had been up 1 hour early, you see the 22, here we go, the 22 right there. If I had been up at 11 p.m., no, if I had been up at 10 p.m., okay, if I had been up, and if I had seen this is one of the most obvious pump and dumps that you're going to see. Textbook goes up, pump, and it goes down. And this is at the beginning of London right here. This is on gold at the open of London. And look at that. Textbook pump and dump. First mouse gets caught, second mouse gets the cheese. So I would have entered in right here. Okay, easy. This is an easy 50 pip drop. That would have netted me between 2 to 4 grand right there in this challenge, the FTMO challenge. Okay, so I missed that. So I have to realize, I do realize that I gotta get rest to be up and ready for these markets, because these markets, they will not wait for you. They will not. They will go. They will continue. They will not wait. They don't care. Okay. So I just wanted to show you that there were opportunities here that I missed. Okay. But anyways, that's pretty much the video. I just took one trade. I didn't do 6 trades like I did the last time when I was freaking out and going into tilt. But I'm learning more and more that this trading is not just about catching patterns and moves. It's really about learning about yourself, learning about your headspace, learning about your self-discipline. This is more of a learning about you experience. How do you deal with pressure? How do you deal with loss? How do you deal with it? And I'm learning that it's not just about money being made. It's about almost self-discovery in your headspace. And it's very interesting. So anyways, that about wraps it up for this video. My name is Jerome with the Bailey Financial Group. Always remember to just, hey, stay blessed and take the money and run.